What if I told you that there's a smarter way to invest that could help you navigate market volatility and potentially grow your wealth? Hi everyone and welcome to Center Shala. My name is Anjali and today we'll be talking about LIC Multi-Asset Fund NFO. Investing isn't just about picking stocks, it's about strategic diversification. Most investors struggle with market unpredictability, high-risk investments, and lack of portfolio balance. Now let's talk numbers. So over the past 15 years, look at how different asset classes have performed. Equity averaged 12.81% returns, gold around 10.62% returns, but a multi-asset portfolio, it gave a remarkable 12.02% average return. The magic lies in correlation. When one asset dips, another rises. During the 2008 financial crisis, equity dropped 48.87% and gold surged 32.27%, but a multi-asset portfolio limited losses to just 26.8%. Based on a 3-year rolling returns, multi-asset allocation returns between 8 to 18% lie 72% of the times. Now let's see how multi-asset funds shield investors. First, equity exposure manages downside risk. Second, debt allocation, stability anchor. And third, gold and commodities hedge against uncertainty. Historical data reveals the truth. No single asset class wins every year. Equity, debt, gold, they all take turns at the top. In the last 15 years, gold dominated 7 times, equity shined 6 times, debt topped 2 times. Now let's talk about LIC Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. It distinguishes itself through its strategic, meticulously crafted approach to multi-asset investing. Unlike traditional funds, it offers a dynamic, flexible investment strategy that adapts to changing market conditions by tactically allocating across equity 65 to 80%, debt 10 to 25%, and gold-silver ETFs 10 to 25%. The fund's unique value proposition lies in its professional management by experienced fund managers and co-CIO equity Nikhil Rungta, along with Sumit Bhatnagar and Prateek Harish Shroff, who brings deep expertise in equity, commodity, and debt markets. Its sophisticated investment philosophy combines top-down and bottom-up approaches, potential derivatives usage for hedging, and the commitment to risk-adjusted returns. Now let's talk about their fund details. LIC Multi-Asset Allocation Fund is an open-ended scheme investing in equity, debt, and gold. Their investment objective is to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing in diversified portfolio of equity and equity-related instruments, debt and money market instruments, and units of gold exchange traded funds. This NFO opens on 24 January 2025 and will remain open till 7th February 2025. The minimum application amount is Rs 5,000. Their entry load is nil. Exit load is, if redeemed or switched out within 3 months from the allotment date for up to 12% of the units held, then it is nil. And for the remaining 88% of the units held, 1% of the applicable NAV. If units redeemed or switched out after 3 months from the allotment date, then the exit load is nil. India's economy is at an inflection point marked by rapid growth and evolving market dynamics. However, the financial markets remain volatile. A multi-asset fund like LIC Multi-Asset Allocation Fund can serve as a resilient investment option, offering stability and growth potential despite these fluctuations. Its diversified approach ensures that investors are well positioned to capitalize on market opportunities while mitigating risks. Well, this was all about LIC Multi-Asset Allocation Fund. We hope you like this video. Thank you.